Hi, I'm Jan. Got a minute? Let's make this. A chicken Alfredo bread ring that you pull apart and dip in sauce. And so easy, here's what you'll need. 2 containers of pizza dough cut lengthwise and then into small squares. Roll them into a ball and plop them into a big bowl. For the filling, cooked chicken shredded into pieces, crisp bacon cut into small chunks, and fresh parsley chopped fine. Now let's assemble all the ingredients. In goes the chicken, the bacon, then add shredded mozzarella, fresh Parmesan, and the parsley. A little garlic powder, pepper, and salt, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and finally a cup of Alfredo sauce. Mix it all together and fill a Bundt pan halfway. I'm making minis too. Place in the oven, cook for 20 minutes at 375 degrees, and here comes deliciousness that'll turn your world upside down. Place a bowl of dipping sauce in the middle, Alfredo or a nice pizza sauce, and pull apart and devour with pleasure. We'll catch you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.